कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है।
For the last few years of aimlessly living my life, I always had this desire to speak. What and where, I had no idea. But as the days are passing by, I can see that I'm actually doing what I always wanted to do. Do you want to know the secret behind it? It's none other than the law of attraction. Hold on. I would request you to give me your 120 seconds of your life in order to make you familiar with the concept of law of attraction. Ever thought that when a day comes when you're late for your work and something happens that you're keeping continuously getting late for your work? Something or the other thing happened that you get late. Ever wondered that when you have a positive day, it is filled with lots and lots of good news and everything good happens around you? And whenever there is a negative or bad day, everything happens bad with you. Ever wondered why? That's actually the law of attraction. Whatever is happening in your life, your outer world is a reflection of your inner state of mind. Here, by inner state of mind, I mean the subconscious mind, the inner mind, which is the dictator of your life. Now, you know that you are the most powerful person in this universe because you have the power of imagination, which has the ability to influence the changes around you. In order to more simplify it, I want you to understand the law of attraction step by step. Our universe attracts the vibrations that our mind releases. Now, the inner mind releases the thoughts which is stored in it, means the way you feel and think from inside. Now, as this whole universe is like a menu for you, you ordered what you want from it. The vibrations of your inner mind and the universe frequency matches just like a radio station. That's where the law of attraction happens. Whatever you demand, the universe has to offer you that. Now it's your choice. You want a bad thing or you want a good thing for yourself. But demand and attract from a pure, undistracted mind and on repetitive basis. Now, when can you practice it? During the time of meditation, when you're relaxed, before you sleep, after you wake up, you need to close your eyes and think of whatever you want in your life, and the universe will attract the same for you, because as you know, the frequencies and the vibrations travels the fastest in this whole universe. Thank you so much people for watching this video till the end. Now, if you have any questions and if you like this video, then please do let me know in the comment box. And there's one more thing that I want to tell you is there are 3 laws. I'm telling you right now. Now you need to tell me that on which law do you want my next video on. The first law is the law of cause and effect. The second is the law of rhythm. And the third law is the law of gender. Now please tell me on the comment box that on what law do you want my next video. So I hope you enjoyed. Until the time, take care of yourself and of your family. See you again.